Mindspace Office Desk Organizer with 6 compartments plus drawer. The Mesh Collection, black. Enough space for everything. Desktop organizer with 6 compartments of well thought out dimensions that will keep the stuff you need at hand while staying out of your way. Easy access that moves with you. Our desk organizer's pull-out drawer slides out smoothly and goes right back easily for expandable storage that's right there when you need it. The lightweight heavyweight. Made of sturdy, mesh metal and a solid metal base, this one'll take all the pens and rulers you can throw at it while being none the worse for wear. Looks great on your desk. A smooth ABS coating feels great to the touch, while the smooth, rounded edges and trim add to the visual appeal. 4 soft rubber grips protect your desk. Use right out of the box. Come with nice box and will make a great holiday office gift. Desk organizer comes fully assembled. Just unbox and go. Dimensions: 8.7 watts x 5.5 d x 5h. Register your product for a lifetime warranty. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.